You okay?
Oh, it is a duet with them again.
No, Sebastian is saying
Forget about Sebastian. I'm not mad at you. I just don't want to waste any more time on him. I want to focus on winning. I've got a new song I want to try out. The theme for regionals is inspiration, and I think this fits the bill. You want to hear it?
His hair is so interesting, so slicked back. Now, I did just do a reaction of them singing a duet for Come What May, so I'm actually really excited to hear another duet with them together and kind of see what's the difference.
Hey, Karaoke.
What's up, Nick?
Everything like slowed down. What did they do? I don't know who this character is. I'm not here yet in the show. What?
Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa.
It's terrible.
I'm losing my mind, losing control.
You wanna go?
These fishes on the sea, they're staring at me. Whoa.
That's so messed up.
A wet world aches for a beat of a drum.
I love that when Darren is singing this, he has the microphone and he kind of has like his legs together and he's doing this little like inner turn foot thing. Is that what the original singer does when he's performing this? Because I feel like this isn't the normal style that I see him singing or posturing his body, but it seems almost like a punk rock, insecure kind of way to do it. So I wonder if the original artist did that.
If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup
Yeah, that little...
to come down, come down.
Oh, get it! Okay, I really like his dance moves in this. I think it's really good. The connection that they're putting right now between the heartache that's going on and the pain and betrayal in some ways of this character, I'm sorry that I don't know yet, and then having the music of him singing with this kind of punk rocker, like going against the rules, getting angry feel, I think is a really good combo that they have.
Life's too short to even care at all.
Now, I almost wish they didn't polish it up so much.
I'm coming up now out of the
Oh, honey.
These zombies in the park, they're looking for
Hang on. What was that? Okay, it might be from this recording, but watch his head as he's singing. It looks like it kind of shook. Not sure if you're a good singer? Join the Karaoke Club, where every Feedback Friday you get to post your singing videos and get feedback from fellow members, even Audrey herself. Sing along with us in the Karaoke Club. La la la!
Oh, these zombies in the park,
What's
they're
that?
looking for my A dark world aches for a splash of the sun.
No. No, no, no.
If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they said could restore me.
Okay, I want his vocals more raw. I feel like right now they're polishing it too much, and I want it more of that angry to connect with the scene. The scene is building. I think he's about to attempt suicide. Like, I want to hear behind the vocals. I want to hear that grit and that pain, and I feel like they polished it too much. Now, if you guys are a fan of Darren Criss and you absolutely love Glee, then what I need you to do right now is click like and click subscribe, because 89% of you guys watching right now are not subscribed. And that's your way of telling me that you love Glee and you want more Glee, and you want more Glee. And that's kind of like giving me advice to do more. Now, I have done a bunch of Glee videos and I will be sure to link those down below. And if you see one that you're like, hey, I have haven't seen that before. And it's probably because it was early released on my Patreon, where we do weeks early sometimes when I do my big batches of Glee videos, as well as watch parties. So be sure to check that out. I will link that down below. Yeah, look. He has that too. See how big his mouth is? We want more raw to come out. So then when he's soft here, it would transition.
One more spoon of cough syrup now.
No, don't do that. No.